Sugar-free, cream-free, healthy ice cream. Soak 1 spoon of khane for at least 12 hours. After 12 hours, the jelly will form. Boil half a liter of milk until it thickens. Add 4 spoons of raw date powder. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Add 2 spoons of ground Katira Jaya. Mix well milk. Pour the milk mixture into the ice cream molds. Can also be used in small coffee cups. You can make ice cream. Take it out after 12 hours. Refrigerate for 12 hours. Sugar-free, cream-free ground Katira Tragacanth gum. Ice cream offers several health benefits, making it a great choice for those looking for a healthy dessert option. Here are its benefits. 1. Cooling effect. Ground Katira has natural cooling properties, which help regulate body temperature, making this ice cream ideal for summer. 2. Good for digestion. Tragacanth gum is known to aid digestion and prevent constipation by promoting gut health. 3. Hydration booster. It has excellent water-absorbing properties, helping keep the body hydrated and preventing heat strokes. 4. Joint and bone health. Ground Katira is rich in calcium and magnesium, which supports stronger bones and joints. 5. Immunity booster. It contains antioxidants that help in boosting immunity and fighting infections. 6. Weight management. Since it's sugar-free and cream-free, it is a low-calorie treat that doesn't contribute to weight gain. 7. Heart-friendly. Being free from sugar and cream, this ice cream is a heart-healthy option as it reduces cholesterol levels and supports cardiovascular health. 8. Helps in diabetes management. A sugar-free version is a great dessert choice for diabetics, as ground Katira helps regulate blood sugar levels. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.